You see how the bubble came in from the base and from the neck too? This here, my friend, is a sour head Percolator Beaker Bong from Lotus Glass. Now after you've seen the beaker in action, this here is a Lotus Glass Beaker Bong with sour head percolator inside the neck. It has a down stem, a regular size 14mm ball, 14mm regular size ball, a down stem, and it's a beaker. And it has a sour head percolator right here in the neck, and this is almost 16 inches. Lotus glass, this one's heavy, and we have the same glass in 3 different colors. Check out our website link from the description below to see how much these are and what colors we have them in.